Truck cooking with the TRUCKERSLIFE78 Philly cheese steak tacos.
Cowboys, baby. Oh yeah. But hey, we cooking. We cooking. We got a half a stick of butter melted down. We about to put, this is about 1/8 of an onion going in. We got some bell peppers, multicultural. Get that going. And we're gonna cover this up, put it in the fridge in a sec. We're gonna take some spicy gatos. I'm gonna tag him in here in this video, see if he responds. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. And I'll be back. Alright, y'all. I don't have no beef stock, so I'm gonna use some beef bouillon. Because as you know, the Danos don't have a lot of salt, or don't have pretty much any salt in it, or sodium. It's very low in sodium. I put it like that. Yeah, I see that Kobe Bryant, baby. Yeah. Lakers. Even though we lost, it's still Lakers Nation and Cowboys over here. But put that in, mix it around. Let those saute down. And then
that buck.
Alright, y'all, we back. And we gonna put some garlic. Put some garlic in here. Some garlic in there, get it finished up, and then we'll put, because I got some shaved steak. And we're gonna see how this comes out. Alright, y'all. We're gonna add a little bit of milk. There we go. We're gonna mix this around and get it nice and creamy, and we'll be back. Alright, we back. We'll take some green chilies, brushing it over the top right there. That right there. Bradley, my back. And we're gonna do the same thing for the next few. And I'll holler at y'all. But hey, it's Trucker's Life. And I'm gone, baby. I love y'all. Hey, y'all, we got a taste of.
Alright, I'm always going to try some tacos.
These are Phillycheesesteak tacos.
Oh, I can already smell it.
So when you open these, like,
And they're made from scratch.
they drop after you left. Like,
In my truck.
Oh, they look delicious.
so if it does, oh no.
She helped me earlier. I wanted you to try my food too.
Oh,
You want to try one with me?
what did you make?
I made Phillycheesesteak tacos.
Ooh, that looks good. That looks good.
Because some of them are going to be mixed in with promo tags. That's the problem.
That looks really good.
Mm-hmm.
So those got printed. So the ones that I had you write
I
down.
really like that.
And it's that small kettle.
What's your crust made out of?
It's actually just a tortilla that I got from a guy whose wife makes homemade tortillas.
See, I'm married to a Mexican, so like homemade tortillas and stuff like that. Oh, so good.
And then everything on the inside, the Philly cheesesteak filling, is all from scratch in my truck. I got a steak that was a 1/4 pound steak,
Yeah.
and I sliced it up thin.
That's really, really, really good. It's got lots of good flavor. It's not spicy. Oh, I enjoy that. That is
And
delicious.
she walked away.
Oh no, I'm coming over. So I think
Give me a bite, Warren.
I think your 524 is
They're
printed.
good.
So next to 524.
You made this in your truck?
Yes, ma'am.
No. Oh, they are good.
Uh-huh.
I have like I was telling her, I have a TikTok about how I cook in my truck. Because I don't eat fast food.
Right.
I'd rather cook.
Oh,
Right.
yeah.
And this actually started as a full New York strip steak.
That is good. Thank you.
No problem.
Yeah.
You guys enjoy.
Oh,
Thank you very much.
All right, you guys have a good night.
Thank you.